What are some of the other popular activities?
Bike riding.
I play soccer and basketball.
I play field hockey.
I watch a lot of sports. I play sports.
75% of young people play sports, and 50% attend sporting events. Over 35% do some kind of volunteer work. Some people like to be creative.
Hang out with friends.
I'll read a book.
Draw.
Cooking.
Lots of people we ask just like to spend time relaxing. And then there are those people who don't want to relax in their spare time. They want thrills. They want excitement. Here at Great Canadian Bungee near Ottawa in Quebec, these people enjoy bungee jumping. Here, bungee jumpers jump 200 feet and then rebound, or bounce back, 160 feet. That's the biggest bungee jump in North America. Bungee jumping was taken from a ritual performed by Native Americans. The first commercial bungee jumping was done by the Extremely Dangerous Sports Club at Oxford University in England. Great Canadian Bungee puts safety first. They've never had an accident.
They said, okay, we're gonna do the countdown from 5. I said, wait, just wait a second. They reassured me I was safe. I think that was the problem. I was just a bit first time, you know, so I said, wait. They said, you're safe, don't worry, look at me, don't look around, you're safe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I left. I watched them go. I forgot about the bounce, really. I went down, I came back up, and I was free falling again. I was like starting over. I was like, I got 2 jumps for the price of 1. And then I got another one, and another one.
So, Sean, you think you're ready to try the highest bungee jump in the land?
Let's go.
For the people, for the community.
3, 2, 1. Go.
These bungee jumpers are doing flips, going over and over and over before they bounce back up. These bungee jumpers really love the thrills. How about you? What do you like to do in your spare time?
Not work.
Go to sporting events.
I dance.
Go shopping.
Spend time with my family.
Reading.
Go to the mall.
Play basketball.
Play in the park.
Indulge myself with reading.
Have fun with friends. And I like to read.
I play ultimate frisbee and I play music.
I play video games.